This bird was
You recording?
cool.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's see if I can get him to get on the hand. He's just trying to irritate me.
What are you gonna do?
Yeah, look. He's trying to irritate me.
Yeah.
And then watch, I'll switch the hands. So this hand, watch, he's just trying to irritate me. That's all he's trying to do. But it tickles.
Yeah. That's a bird. Bite.
Yeah, he doesn't know that it tickles. He thinks he's hurting me.
That's a little bit of bird.
Feels like a pinch.
A pinch?
Yeah, but not hard enough pinch. Like, it doesn't even hurt, it irritates.
That's a bird with bite.
Yep. Closer look, up close.
You see this bird? That is a bird.
Yep. He's so cool, isn't he?
That's a bird.
He's funny, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's just trying to get a reaction out of me.
Yeah.
I think he's starting to realize.
That was a bird with bite.
Yep. He's just scared. He wants to bite.
Yeah.
But you don't want me to pet him now. I could try. Isn't he cool?
Yeah.
His name's Kiwi. Press that button to stop.